Welcome back. Class 8, subject computer science. In this session, you are going to understand about revision of third, fourth, and fifth lessons. Okay. So that is the third lesson is of log on to Access. Fourth lesson working with tables, and the fifth lesson is working with queries. So some of the recapitulation about the chapters, like what is a database? A database is it's an organized way of storing information. Okay, there are two types of databases, like flat file database as well as relational database. Okay, some of the objects or the components of a database are tables, queries, forms, and reports. Moving to working with tables, database objects, already which you have become familiar with tables, queries, forms, and reports. Some of the databases which are used, like available data types: text, number, memo, date or time, auto number, yes or no, OLE, that is object linking and embedding, hyperlink, lookup wizard, attachment, calculated, and rich text. Then the particular database is divided into two parts, that is design view as well as datasheet view. So again, design view is divided into two sections, like field grid pane as well as field property pane. And fifth chapter all about working with queries. Query is also an object of a database. It's a simple question. Okay, asking a database stores vast amount of data, as you know, but queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Let's move to the revision of the exercises. Log on to Access. First bit, fill in the blanks. A database is an organized way of storing information. A relational database, RDBMS, relational database management system. So here, a relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. Okay, all the columns in a table are called fields. Alt plus F4 key combination is used to quit the Microsoft Access. How to quit? These are the combination keys, like Alt plus F4. Queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Record contains the values for all the fields that belongs to a single person or an entity. Record is nothing but row of a database. Okay, record contains the values for all the fields that belongs to a single person or an entity. Next bit, state true or false. Microsoft Access is a database management system. True. A set of characters that represents a valid value is known as data. This is also a true statement. In flat file database system, you can make links. This is the wrong statement. In flat file database system, you cannot make links. You can create a relationship between two tables by using a unique field, that is, you are assigning a primary key. Okay, tables, queries, reports, and forms can be created in Microsoft Access. True, these are the main components or the objects of a database. Okay, DBMS stands for Database Management System, not the software. Okay, that is why the statement is or the sentence is false here. DBMS stands for Database Management System. The rows in a table are called records. Next bit, application based questions. Supriya is given an assignment to create a new table in the existing document. Suggest her the option which she should select after opening Microsoft Access. The answer is table. Okay, Mansi wants to quit Microsoft Access after saving a database by using shortcut keys or the combination keys. Which key combination will you suggest her to use? Means Alt plus F4 is the right answer. Moving to multiple choice questions, like dash is the shortcut key combination to save the database. Not only for the database, any of the application software you can use as Control plus yes. Okay. Then dash is an application software which is used to create, modify and extract data from a database, that is DBMS. Dash is the standard file name extension for database in Microsoft Office Access 2010, that is .acdb. acdb stands for Access Database. .acdb. There are mainly how many types of databases? Like see, there are mainly two types of databases. Dash are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitates the process of entering data in tables and queries. Like forms. There are other objects are also there, like report, forms, queries. But the right answer, forms. Which option displays the name of the current database on which you are working? Title bar, which tells the name of a file, name of a database. Okay. So title bar is the right answer. Moving to answer the following. What is database? Give examples of a database. A database is an organized way of storing information quickly and efficiently. Organized way of storing information. Database. Example, MS Access. Microsoft SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and one more high level language, that is Oracle. Okay. Explain any 4 features of Microsoft Access. Duplication of data is reduced, that is redundancy. Data redundancy can be reduced. Sharing of data, security of data, efficiency, speed, and it is quite flexible, like speed and flexibility. What are the types of database? Explain each of them briefly. As I have told you, there are 2 types of databases, like flat file database as well as relational database. Moving to flat file database refers to data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, MS Excel, like Microsoft Excel. Relational database stores data in several tables and link those tables together to get a common piece of information. Example, MS Access or Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL and Oracle. Some of the terms you need to define, like tables. Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store the complete data in a structured manner, that is in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a finite number of columns and rows. Data, a set of characters that represents valid value, is known as a data. Example, 1, Sandeep, 89, 79. The raw facts and figures, usually the definition for a data, any raw facts and figures which can be entered into a computer, they are called as data. Here also some of the examples they have taken. You can have your own examples, like these are the data values for the specific fields of the table, like student. Then reports. Reports are used to display selected data in a printable format. Reports collect summarized data from one or more tables, queries, and organize it in a printable form. This is the last action which is performed by the Access. Next we will go with working with tables. The first bit, fill in the blanks. In memo data type, we can store a maximum of 65,536 characters. The auto number generates a sequential number. Whenever a new record is added to a table, auto number, automatically numbers are going to be generated. You need not have to give any numbers manually. A field property is an attribute that defines the field's appearance or behavior within a database. Tab key is used to move to the next column. Hyperlink stores up to 1 GB of data. Okay. The text data type is used to store text. The primary key is a toggle key. To delete a row, first select the row and then click on delete rows button on the design tab. Delete rows button is available on the design tab. Next bit is about true or false. A table can have only one primary key. True. Remove sort command is located in the sort and filter group. True. Sometimes they may twist the question. Some other group also they may give. Carefully you must go through that. Remove sort command is located in the sort and filter group. Access saves the table automatically after saving it once. False. The primary key button is available on the design tab. True. Shift plus tab key moves the cursor to the next field. It's a false statement.
Okay.
Press the shift plus tab key moves the cursor to the next field. Okay, it's a wrong statement. If you press shift plus tab keys to move to the previous field, okay, then if you press the tab key on the last field, the cursor automatically jumps to the next row. It is not essential to specify data type for a field name. It is mandatory. When you are making the records entry, you need to have the data type should be selected. Okay, it is essential to specify data type for a field. Move to the previous field, you need to press the shift plus tab keys. Okay, if you press the tab key on the last field, the cursor automatically jumps to the next row. It is not essential to specify data type for a field name. It's wrong. Why? Because you need to specify data type for a field name. Next, a number data type can store only integer values. False. A number data type can store only number values. Next is OLE data type stores a link to a web page. OLE, as I have told you, object linking and embedding data type stores a link to a web page. This is also a false statement. Why? Because this is used to embed an object created in another application such as Microsoft Word document, Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation into the access table, and the capacity that is which stores up to 2 GB of data. Okay. Now, application based questions. Your teacher has shown you the following table structure. See some of the field names which are created. See, your teacher has shown you the following table structure. This is the application based question. Already created fields are there like ID, city, company name, department, first name, last name and the mobile number. In your opinion, which column header should be chosen as the primary key for this table? Okay, number of fields are there. Example they have given you. So, the primary key for this particular table. Please note that the column header ID is inserted by default. Hence, do not include this in your answer. The answer is mobile number can be chosen as the primary key. Primary key which helps to identify every record uniquely in a table. Okay. Next, Apex Corporation is designing a database for all its employees. The designers want to store the passport size photograph of each employee linked to their respective names. Can you suggest which data type should they use? Attachment data type can be used. The relevant answer or the precise answer is attachment data type. Next, multiple choice questions. Which key moves the cursor to the previous field in datasheet view? Which already we have discussed, that is shift plus tab. What is the maximum number of characters that can be used to define a field name? 64. 64 characters. Okay. What do you call the area where you can view the record numbers you have entered in a table? You can view that in record navigation bar. Next question. Which shortcut key combination is used to go to the specific record by using the current record box? Alt plus F5 key. Together combination means both the keys you need to press. Which of the key combination is used to save the changes and close the table? The right answer is Ctrl plus W. Next question. Which icon indicates the edit mode in Access? Pencil icon. Last bit of the particular chapter. Answer the following. Define the term table with respect to Microsoft Access. A table is a database object which is used to store information in an organized manner. What do you mean by data types? Data types are used to declare the fields of a table. A data type determines the type of data a particular field can accept. Explain the use of primary key in a table. Primary key is a standard feature of every database management system. As I have told you, a primary key is a sort of check on the table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. It does not contain any duplicate data. A table can have only one primary key. Next is state the difference between OLE and hyperlink. OLE is used to embed an object created in another application such as Microsoft Word document, Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation into the Access table, and capacity stores up to 2 GB of data. Hyperlink data type can store links to web pages, websites, files on an intranet or LAN on your computer. It stores up to 1 GB of data. See here you can see the major difference, that is OLE can store up to 2 GB of data and hyperlink can store up to 1 GB of data. Next question. What do you understand by the term field property? A field property is an attribute that defines the field's appearance or behavior within a database. How will you sort data within a table? Select the field that you wish to sort. Click on the drop down arrow next to the right of the field. Select either sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest option from the drop down list. Observe the change in the database. The sort buttons ascending or descending on the home tab is another way to sort the data. Usually you can go with home tab. Next question. Name the views in which a table can be displayed. A table can be displayed in two views, design view as well as datasheet view. Next chapter is about working with queries. First bit of the chapter is a query. A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables. In a query, the criteria property is used to set the condition on the basis of which the records are filtered. We can set multiple criteria in a query using OR property. Sort property is used to filter the data either in an ascending or order or descending order. The bottom pane of the select query window displays the design grid. A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data in a printed form. Next bit is about true or false. Queries help us to retrieve information from one or more tables that meet a specific condition. A report is created exactly in the same way as forms are created. True. To specify multiple criteria or property is used. This is also true statement. We cannot run a query without saving it. True. The sort property is used to filter the data either in an ascending or descending order. This is also a true statement. See, all are true coming. Sometimes they may twist, may not, can, cannot. Okay. So, twisting, you need to work on the twisting questions. Next question. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in two tables. The answer is true. Once a relationship is set, it cannot be deleted. False. It can be deleted, okay, or you can delete it. The last question of the particular bit, form weave is used to change the structure of your form. False. Next bit is about application based questions. Swati created a database of her classmates and entered 30 records in it. The teacher has asked her to show the data of those students who have scored less than 50% marks. Suggest her the method to apply this criteria. See, queries tab, query design, show table dialog box appears, then put criteria. Example, as it is given in the notes, you just go ahead with like the following query will be used to determine the answer. Select name from table name where percentage of marks like 50. Here name will be the name of that specific column that will contain the name of the students. Then there will table name in which the details of that specific name is given. Then the percentage will have the marking details. Percentage marks should be less than 50 according to the question. See, scored less than 50% of marks. Here you are giving the condition as percentage marks less than 50. Okay, so it should be assigned in this way. Then as it is, the percentage will have the marking details. Next question. Johnson & Johnson company has a huge database of employees. The company wants to maintain the privacy of each employee and has given the instructions to computer operators to update each record one at a time. Which database object should they use to perform this task? They should use form as a database object to perform the task. Using select and update, they can update the data of the employees. Next part, multiple choice questions. Which query allows addition, deletion, updation and appending operations on data? That is action query. Which query prompts you for input before it runs? That is parameter query. There are so many queries, like they have given options like cross tab query, parameter query, a select query, but the right answer is parameter query. Which option is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of a form? That is layout view. What does the top section of a query window display? Selected table. How many views does Access provide to display a form? 3. Which key defines a relationship between two tables? That is primary key. And the next bit, answer the following questions. What is a query? As I have told, a query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria which you define. Next question. Explain the parts of a query window. Two major parts of a query window are design area and grid portion. Design area, also known as top portion, which displays tables, fields or subqueries. You may want to use in query. Grid, also known as lower portion, which contains columns where user can set up the fields. What do you understand by criteria? Criteria is the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. Next question. Into how many types a query can be categorized? A query can be categorized into the following types like select query, parameter query, cross-tab query, action query and SQL, structured query language query. Then differentiate between select and parameter query. A select query retrieves data from one or more tables and displays the record set in a database. You can also use a select query to group data and to calculate sum, count, average and other types of total. A parameter query is a type of select query that prompts you for input before it runs. The query then uses your input as criteria that controls the result. For example, you can design it to prompt for two dates. Access will then retrieve all data with values between the specified two dates. Next question about form. What is a form? Briefly explain its use. A form is a piece of paper on which a user fills required information in specific fields. A form is a database object that you can use to enter, edit or display data from a table or a query. You can use forms to control access to data, such as which fields of data are displayed. For example, certain users may not need to see all of the fields in a table. Next, about report. What is a report? How will you print a report? Report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. To print a report, select the File tab and then click either on the print option or select the print preview option, which displays how the report will appear on a page. It also allows to choose page orientation. Okay. Page setup, modify page size. Page orientation is nothing but along the length or width. Setup, see, modify page size, then margin, width, etc. Okay. Click on the print option. The print dialog box appears. Set any desired print options, then click OK. This is all about your revision of computer science 8th standard. All the best for your exams.